So it looks like we had a pretty good burn last night. All that's left are the big stumps that are caked in dirt. So now that the dirt is baked on them, I can grab them and drop them, and most of the dirt will fling off fairly easy. So I'm gonna run through this pile real quick, kind of restack it, get it back burning, and then we'll go do a little more stumping. Last little section of stumps back here on the side. The silt fence crew is here, putting up silt fence today. And as you can see on the mud ring on that little machine, he found a stump hole and buried that poor little thing. And I had to go get him out. I mean, he'd fought with it for about 5 or 10 minutes. And I saw him standing over there beside the machine. So I walked over there and asked him if he needed some help there, and it took about 30 seconds. I got it, pulled itself right out. It wasn't too bad using the machine itself, so. He'd go into town on that little thing. Poor little machine ain't gonna owe nobody a penny when they're done with it. Oh boy. If all goes as planned, it'll probably get stuck again. Put him on the driest ground possible to start with, and it's only going to get wetter as he keeps going down the hill. So I told him if he gets stuck and I can't get it out, we got a machine here that's big enough to get it out. Surrounding this site with silt fence. So it's probably almost 2,000 feet going down today. I'm not sure. I didn't really look at the measurements, but it's all but one little spot up front on top of the hill. Everywhere else gets silt fence. Left on it. Poor little machine. he's going to town with it. It gets wet. Once you get to about right there, I had this thing to the top of the tracks, clearing all that down there, so he should have fun down there. It's like I said, it's a little swampy down there, and we had a fair amount of rain last night, and it just soaked everything. Nightmarish of a mess where the landing is. I've actually already gone through all the worst stuff, which was probably best because it was grumpy. I don't know how there's so much dirt and bark and everything. It's really wet over there, so the silt fence guys are hand digging a section, and it don't look like they're going to make much progress. So as soon as I get through this pile right here, I'm going to go over there and help them trench it in. The Mini would get stuck in a heartbeat, so I can go over there with this, but as soon as I get through this, I'm going to go over there and help them. We got to get this silt fence up today, and them two guys, they're working at it, but it's not easy stuff to dig. Talking about with all the dirt and roots and nastiness. He keeps looking like, oh dear, I've got a long ways to go. Like he's gonna come ask for me to dig it. Over there and dig it for him. That'll be nice. That'll be nice for him. sure to put all the posts in. There's another guy, well, down here in the mud now. I had to dig a ditch for him because it's so muddy. They couldn't get the mini. He's putting the wire up, and then the other boy over there is putting the silt fence up. And I'm trying to get all this nasty stuff separated. All I got is just a giant pile of dirt and roots. The other guy's over there on the mini backfilling the silt fence. Everybody's hot and tired. It's like 90 degrees outside with like 90% humidity. It's miserable outside. It's comfy in here though, but it is miserable outside. I'm just in here behind my tinted window so they can't see me enjoying this nice cold air. Fire's still burning good. This is pretty much all this is done now. Like I said, other than raking this little bit of crap here down, good to go. Just gonna rake this down and kind of smear it down here in the mud. It ain't like I can burn any of this. When we strip topsoil, I'll just mix it all in. That's really all you can do on something like this. Take the big pieces out. This is done. So today went well. I got silt fence all the way around the back, around, down, and down the side. And now they're working on the front and the lower corner. So I just stacked the fire up. I'm gonna call it a day. I got a few things to do, and hopefully they'll get all that done today. I'll send a drone up in the air and do a little flyover, and I give you a good perspective of what we've done in 3 days.